Which symbol is used to execute formulas in MS Excel? That answer is equal sign. Question number 2. What is the synonym of gigantic? That answer is huge. Question number 3. The value of an article which was purchased 2 years ago depreciates at 12% per annum. If its present value is 9,680 rupees, the price at which it was purchased is. That answer is 12,500. Question number 4. Excel is a program that is used to prepare a. That answer is spreadsheet. Question number 5. Father of slave dynasty. That answer is Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Question number 6. The intersection of a column and row in a spreadsheet is called. That answer is a cell. Question number 7. 1 kilometer is equal to how many centimeters? That answer is 1 lakh centimeter. Question number 8. Regional Cooperation for Development found in. That answer is 1964. Question number 9. How many times a normal man respires per minute? That answer is 14 to 18 times. Question number 10. Solar plate consists of which type of cell? That answer is photovoltaic cell. Question number 11. Graphical representation of data is called pie chart. Question number 12. Kachra Lake is situated in. That answer is Skardu. Question number 13. Phases of the moon occur because. Answer is we can see only that part of the moon which reflects light towards us. Question number 14. Who said microbes are animalcule? Leeuwenhoek. Question number 15. Hingal River is situated in which province? That answer is Balochistan. Question number 16. Pakistan is located in which continent? That answer is Asia. Question 17. The Punjab government has converted which federal minister house into Panahgah? That answer is Ishaq Dar. Question number 18. 892 की value 2. That answer is 795664. Question number 19. 1965 war started from. That answer is 6th September. Question number 20. In MS Word, a character that is raised and is smaller above the baseline is called. That answer is superscript. Question number 21. Germany remained in Allies from 1945 to. Answer is that 1952. Question number 22. The largest earth-filled dam of the world is. Answer is Tarbela. Question number 23. When was the Kashmir issue taken to the United Nations by India? That answer is 1st January 1948. Question number 4. Duodenum jejunum is a part of. That answer is small intestine. Question number 25. Which shortcut key is used to spell check in Microsoft Word? That answer is F7. Question number 26. Element present in largest amount in human body is. That answer is oxygen. Question number 27. In 1846 the British sold Kashmir to Dogra Maharaja Gulab Singh for an amount of. That unware is 75 lakhs. Question number 28. Give the meaning of the idiom breakout. That answer is occur suddenly. Question number 29. Durand line is the border between. That answer is Pakistan and Afghanistan. Question number 30. Who founded All India National Congress? Alan Octavian Hume. Question number 31. The idiom kick the bucket means. That answer is to die. Question number 32. The meaning of the idiom prick up your ears founded is. That answer is listening carefully. Question number 33. How can you apply exactly the same formatting you did to another text? That answer is select the text, then click on Format Painter and select the new text. Question number 34. Change voice. Our army has defeated the enemy. That answer is the enemy has been defeated by our army. Question number 35. Pakistan left CENTO. That answer is in 1979. Question number 36. If 30 men working 9 hours per day can reap a field in 16 days, in how many days will 36 men reap the field working 8 hours per day? That answer is that 15. Question number 37. Indus Waters Treaty, signed on 19 September 1960 between India and Pakistan and brokered. That answer is World Bank. Question number 38. My brother and friend underscore me in my studies. That answer is helps. Question number 39. The meaning of put out is extinguish. Question number 40. A feature of MS Office that saves the document automatically after certain interval is called autosave. Question number 41. Which key deletes the character to the right of the cursor in MS Word? That answer is delete key. Question number 42. What is name of Iran's new currency? That answer is Toman. Question number 43. The antonym of diligent is. That answer is lazy. Question number 44. By selecting paragraph we can apply. That answer is line spacing and indent. Question number 45. First capital of Pakistan was. That answer is Karachi. Question number 46. Karbela Dam is located in. That answer is Swabi. Question number 47. The underscore was a gathering of 35 prominent Indian Muslim leaders led by the Aga Khan III. That answer is Simla Deputation. Question number 48. When was the African Union established? That answer is 2002. Question number 49. Which is not an input device? Lauter. Question number 50. Cooking oil can be converted into vegetable ghee by the process of hydrogenation. Question number 51. The SI unit of pressure is. That answer is Pascal. Question number 52. Which is the largest hardware company of the world? That answer is Apple. Question number 53. The angles of a triangle are x35, x25 and 1 2 times 10. Find x. That answer is 100. Question number 54. Which tab of MS Word contains the Shapes option? That answer is Insert. Question number 55. The interdisciplinary study of human population is called. That answer is demography. Question number 56. The study of life of one as individual is called. That answer is biography. Question number 57. The principal which will amounts to 270 rupees and 40 paise in 2 years at the rate of 4% per annum compound interest is. That answer is 250 rupees. Question number 58. Single spacing in MS Word document causes underscore point line spacing. That answer is 12. Question number 59. Israel withdraw his troops in 2000 after 23 years from. That answer is Lebanon. Question number 60. A car travels 100 km at a speed of 60 km per hour and returns with a speed of 40 km per hour. Calculate the average speed for the whole journey. That answer is 48 km per hour. Question number 61. Pakistan conducted nuclear tests on. That answer is 22nd May 1998. Question number 62. If n is a natural number, the 92 and 420 is always divisible by. That answer is 0, 5 and 13. Question number 63. The capital of British India was transferred from Calcutta to underscore in the year 1911. That answer is Delhi. Question number 64. Name the battle in which Hazrat Khalid bin Walid participated first time for Muslims. That answer is Battle of Muta. Question number 65. What is the shortcut key to subscript the selected text? That answer is Ctrl plus equal sign. Question number 66. Which shortcut is used for undo in MS Word? That answer is Ctrl plus Z. Question number 67. What is the shortcut key for decrease font size of the selected text? That answer is Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than symbol. Question number 68. Which is an example of a formula? That answer is a 1 plus a 2. Question number 69. An Excel workbook is a collection of. That answer is worksheets charts. Question number 70. Where is Shah Jahan's tomb located? That answer is Agra. Question number 71. Which command is used to add data in Excel? That answer is sum. Question number 72. The famous book The Republic was written by. That answer is Plato. Question number 73. I am sick underscore the idle life. That answer is of. Question number 74. Which country is in the west of Pakistan? That answer is Iran. Question number 75. Antonym of dastard. That answer is hero. Question number 76. Which surah of the Holy Quran in which Allah has promised to protect the Holy Quran? That answer is Surah Al-Hujurat. Question number 77. When was Liaquat Nehru Pact between India and Pakistan signed? That answer is 1950. Question number 78. Average weight of 10 people increased by 1.5 kilograms when one person of 45 kilograms is replaced by a new man. Then weight of the new man is. That answer is 60. Question number 79. Ali is my best friend. Best is which part of speech? That answer is adjective. Question number 80. He said you are doing very well. Well is which part of speech? That answer is adverb. Question number 81. National Command and Operation Center NGOC was formed in. That answer is April 2020. Question number 82. NAFTA stands for. That answer is North American Free Trade Agreement. Question number 83. Glacier is a_sheet of ice. That answer is slow moving. Question number 84. Another name of K2 is. That answer is Godwin Austen. Question number 85. Shortcut key for page break in MS Word. That answer is Ctrl plus Enter. Question number 86. The first network that initiated Internet was. That answer is ARPANET. Question number 87. Change narration. He said to him, "Thank you for your kind help." That answer is he thanked him for his kind help. Question number 88. Change voice. Please give me your pen and take your seat. That answer is you are requested to give me your pen and take your seat. Question number 89. Who discovered the force of attraction or repulsion? That answer is Coulomb.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 90. अफसाना किस जबान का लफ्ज है? इस सवाल का जवाब है फारसी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 91. वो नज़्म जिसमें सहाबा किराम की तारीफ बुजुर्गान दीन और औलाए किराम की खूबियां बयान की जाए कहलाती है? इस सवाल का जवाब है मनक़बत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 92. सर आंखों पर बिठाना. इस सवाल का जवाब है बहुत इज्जत करना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 93. तंजिया शायरी किस शायर ने की है? इस सवाल का जवाब है अकबर अला आबादी ने. क्वेश्चन नंबर 94. मारूं घटना फूटे निकालना से क्या मुराद है? इस सवाल का जवाब है बात का गलत मतलब निकालना. सवाल नंबर 95. बच्चों की मशहूर नज़्म टूट बटवट किसने लिखी? इस सवाल का जवाब है सूफी तबस्सुम ने. सवाल नंबर 96. ये आरज़ू थी तुम दिल के रूबरू करते हम बुलबुल बेताब गुफ्तगू करते ये शेर किसका है? इस सवाल का जवाब है हैदर अली आतिश. सवाल नंबर 97. पानी भरना का क्या मतलब है? इस सवाल का जवाब है गुलामी करना. सवाल नंबर 98. कसीदा लफ्ज निकला है. इस सवाल का जवाब है कस्द से. सवाल नंबर 99. अल्लामा इकबाल का पहला शेरी मजमुआ कौन सा था? इस सवाल का जवाब है बांग दरा. सवाल नंबर 100. बैन करना शेरी सिन्फ का जुज है. इस सवाल का जवाब है मरसिया.